Unlock the power of rejection with these strategies that go beyond just conceptualizing ideas. Applicable to your daily life, these proven methods are both practical and authentic. Ensure that this valuable wisdom reaches as many people as possible by hitting the like button and activating the notification bell. Let's embark on a transformative journey together. Are you ready to turn setbacks into triumphs? Here's a breakdown of the strategies. 1. Ignore them with dignity. When faced with indifference, rise above it. Ignoring those who don't value you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement about your self-worth. Focus on your goals, engage in activities that bring you joy, and let your actions speak louder than their neglect. 2. Keep your emotions in check. Adopt a Stoic mindset. Stay calm and composed in the face of rejection. Don't let others control your emotions. Instead, focus on your life, goals, and happiness. React with genuine concern, not expectation, and let your actions showcase your inner strength. 3. Detach and grow. Develop the skill of detachment when rejected. See it as a sign pointing you in a new direction. Embrace new experiences, join community projects, and build a circle of positivity. Remember, rejection is an opportunity for personal growth, not a reflection of your worth. 4. Show your worth. Instead of succumbing to rejection, use it as an opportunity to showcase your strengths. Take on projects that highlight your skills and demonstrate resilience. Every rejection is a redirection towards a path where you're truly needed. 5. Silence speaks louder. Embrace the power of silence. Refrain from seeking unnecessary attention and focus on what truly matters. Your silence can be intriguing and attractive in a world that expects immediate answers. It's a strategic choice to protect your mental well-being. 6. Prove them wrong through actions. Channel rejection into self-improvement. Learn, grow, and surpass expectations. Let your actions speak louder than words, proving to yourself that personal excellence is the ultimate victory. 7. Find joy outside your comfort zone. Actively seek happiness and new experiences outside your comfort zone. Rejection is a plot twist, not the end. Every new encounter and challenge adds depth to your character, making you more flexible and resilient. 8. Elevate your social circles. Instead of seeking approval, focus on personal growth and community involvement. Share your journey, connect with like-minded individuals, and build a network based on shared values. This Stoic approach fosters positive change in both yourself and the community. 9. Pretend they're not there. Maintain emotional distance while being kind. Be professional, courteous, and limit personal interactions. Your actions signify strength and self-respect, emphasizing that you prioritize what truly matters. 10. Maintain silence for personal growth. Silence isn't about ignoring. It's a deliberate choice for self-reflection and emotional control. Use this time to understand your feelings, strengthen your character, and align your actions with your values. 11. Avoid begging for attention. Resist the urge to seek attention when ignored. Be fully present in your own life, pursuing your interests and passions with independence and confidence. Let your self-assurance come from within, not from external validation. 12. Be kind but emotionally distanced. Choose kindness while maintaining emotional boundaries. Your kindness is a gift, not an expectation. This approach showcases strength, self-respect, and maturity. 13. Don't show vulnerability. Resist the temptation to reveal your struggles when faced with indifference. Maintain your composure, continue living your life with determination, and let your actions reflect your internal strength. Embrace these strategies not as responses to rejection, but as opportunities for personal growth and empowerment. Share your experiences and triumphs in the comments below, contributing to our community's collective wisdom and resilience. Together, let's learn the art of Stoicism and strength.